Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And I know, first of all, I have been gone for a very long time, and I have no explanation for that really, but all I have to say is that I am back now. And yes, and I hope, I always say this, but this time I hope I keep my words. I'm not promising, but maybe I should actually improve on my channel, or maybe improve on how to keep my channel active and going, because I pause like every once in a while, which is not really good for a YouTube channel. And especially if you want to grow your channel and to have more people engaged and all that, I will work on that. And as you can see by the title, today's video is going to be a review on the bag that I bought last year in April. So this is more like a 1 year review. Yay! Exciting a little bit. Yeah, so let's just jump into it, shall we? So today's video, I am showing you guys, I'm going to do a review on this Bandouliere bag that I got last year as a birthday present to myself. And I've had it for 1 year. I remember I did an unboxing video of this bag, and if you have not seen the videos, go like check my other videos, you will be able to see the unboxing of this bag. So just a little bit about this bag is that I bought this bag online. I did not go in the store to buy it. I know I would not recommend anybody to buy a luxury bag online, you know, like you can buy, but you have to be really sure that it's really coming from where you're buying it from. Okay. It came with a receipt. So this is the receipt from Louis Vuitton, and inside here, this is the envelope, sorry. And the inside has the receipts and the return thing, like if you want to return it, the return policy. If you want to return it, you can return to their store. They put the store name here. So for me, I would have taken this to Yorkdale Mall, which is like not far from where I live, but quite a drive. So this is just saying, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive material, and please visit us again either online or at Louis Vuitton store. So at least you know that you buy this stuff online, you can return it to the store. You know, you have that privilege to take it to the store. Then no return, no order, and if they did not send you this stuff, then I would be worried, okay? But yeah, so just a piece of advice: if you ever want to buy Louis Vuitton, I don't think Chanel you can buy online. I don't know, I've tried to go on Chanel website, and some of the stuff they don't even have the prices. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's from my understanding. I've gone on their website, I tried to look at the stuff and to see if you can buy it. I don't think you can buy online. They tell you to go to the store and buy it, which is good, really. Yeah. So this bag, just for the price wise, the bag was $1,700 Canadian, and with the tax it came to 1,921 Canadian. Wanted to say US. Canadian. So yeah, but if you look now on their website, this specific bag, it has gone up like $80 more. So this bag was $1,700 when I bought it, but right now it's $1,780. Yeah, so you know what they say these things are good investment for that reason. It's because the prices keep going up and the prices are not going down. So you know, when you buy something like this, at least you know it's something that will not lose its value. Okay guys, if you want to get in this luxury bag, you need to know that. So that's one advantage of buying stuff like this. Anyway, so now let's go into the bag a little bit more. So now that I've showed you the receipt and that stuff on the side, now let's look at this bag. Yeah, so I was gonna assume this, but no. Anyway, so this is a bandouliere, and the reason why it's called bandouliere is because it comes with a strap. And don't worry guys, I did not lose anything. Everything is in this bag, trust me. So this bag has a double zipper. See, there you go. You open that and open that, and but the other thing is that you do not have to put towels in the bag. I know. I don't have anything that I could have put in this bag, and I do not have a bag shaper, so I'll just hide my bag underneath and just take out all the stuff I had inside and pretend as if there was nothing in there, right? But you can see there's something. Anyway, so that's the inside, and it's red in there inside, and that is the strap now for the bag. I think the light keeps changing. I have the window open, and if you see the light going off, on, off, please, it's the natural light that I'm using, and I guess it's going bipolar on me. So this is the strap for the bag, and I removed this one because I'm 5'4", okay, so I don't want to have the strap like too long, so that's why I took out this and I only use these together like that. And so here's the bag. It's a big bag, I tell you. It's a very big bag, and it hasn't lost its shape. It's still in good shape, and it takes, I can put so much stuff in it, and it's a good, like if you're looking for a Louis Vuitton as your first, like your first Louis Vuitton bag ever, and you're thinking whether Speedy or the Bandouliere, I would recommend you go with the Bandouliere for the first, like, you know, like depending on what you use the bag for, because I wanted to use this bag as my everyday use bag. Like if I'm going to the mall, I'm going places, I have the advantage of taking out the strap and just carrying it like it's a Speedy. And if I feel like I don't want to carry it as a Speedy, it's too dressed, I'll just put the strap. And with the strap, that is the bag. See, that is the bag. So you have the advantage of putting it on your shoulder or putting it across your shoulders. And after having this bag for a year, like I mean in the year, I've used this bag so many times. Like I bought this bag last year when it was in April, when it was like when winter was almost over. Yes, so I picked this print for a reason. The reason being is I have the other print in this small bag. You see, in this small bag, and that's the reason why I did not get this print. But I wanted to have this print in the smaller bag and in the never full. So I'm hoping and I'm saving for the never full bag, because I really love how it looks on other people, and it is a nice bag to have too. So I'm hoping one day I'll be able to buy the never full. I know it's like everyone has the never full bag. It's just a beautiful bag and I love it. Anyway, so one thing I love this bag is that you don't have to worry so much about when it's raining, when it's cold, or when water goes on it. Like this bag is like the maintenance, like when it comes to maintaining this bag, it's so easy to maintain. It's not like the other one. I don't know, the other one is like I've taken it out to places, to the club, to dinners, everywhere. You can take the other bag. Okay, if you feel like you don't want to carry so much in your bag, you take the little bag, and if you feel like, okay, I need to get a lot of stuff, or maybe if you're going for a sleepover, you're going to the mall, this is the bag you want to bring, because you put it on your shoulder. That's the advantage. And about it hasn't, like the wear of it is like, it looks good, it still looks good. The only thing that I don't like about this bag is I've heard other YouTubers say the same thing about the gold wear on the, not the gold wear, just the gold on the strap and the gold on the bag here, the metals, these two. It's like these two gold are deep knots that other people notice, but if you really take a good close look, you will see the difference of the gold, that the other one is more yellowish and shiny, and the other one is just not, you know. But anyway, it's not, I don't know if it's not a big deal because other people cannot really notice it, but you notice it. Yes. And other than that, what would I say about this bag? I think I still like it. I don't know if I should say maybe I like it. Which one is it? I don't know. Just messed up. I don't know. I would say that I like the bag, you know, because it still looks the same as it looked when I bought it. To me at least, it hasn't changed. Like, it hasn't changed much. I still feel the same way I felt when I bought it, and I haven't worn this bag in a while because I've bought a few other bags. You know how it is. It's like when you have a new baby bag, you put away the other ones, and anyway, so I have been using my new bag to the point of this one has been resting a little bit, but I may take it out soon so I can use it more often, because I mean, that's the good thing about it. It's like you can put it and use it, because I remember when I bought this bag, I did not put it to rest. Like, I used this bag like maybe the whole summer straight up. I traveled, I went to Boston, we went to where did we go? We went to Halifax, Nova Scotia. I brought this bag with me, and that's the bag that I brought. I used this bag the whole summer, I used the bag a lot, you know, and to the point of where I just wanted to put it away and to let it breathe and rest a little bit, you know. Yeah, but so to those people that are wondering, and like those people that want to buy a bag like this, and I mean, you can get a bag shaper to put inside so it can hold the shape of it, but I don't want to. I like it like this. I like it a little bit like that. I mean, it's not bad once you put stuff in it. So like, if you're wondering and you're like you don't know which one to get, you're thinking you want to get a Louis Vuitton but you don't know which one to get, whether it's Speedy or Bandouliere, I would seriously recommend you get a Bandouliere, you know. And like, I mean, do enough research on the bag and find out more and more and more, you know. Have more knowledge about the bag and watch other YouTubers talk about their bag and what they think and all of that, you know. But if you work in an office, you're that kind of a classy woman, you want to look classy, you want to look you know, you go with the classic. But as for me, myself, and I don't think I'm a classic. Like, I mean, classic, don't get me wrong, no. I don't think I like the classic one because it only gives you one option on how to carry it. But this one, it gives you both options. I mean, even the classic can get I think classic you can find a way. Today I saw some, like on Instagram, on Instagram I saw somebody put a strap on the classic, it's Speedy classic. They put a strap, so you can always find a way to put a strap. Like, I mean, you put it inside here, but you have to let these handles fall like that. When you put the strap in here and the other side, then carry it like that. Yes, but and another thing is that the Bandouliere is a little bit more compared to the Speedy, so you're paying for that, like you're paying a little bit more. That's another, so you have to weigh it up. Which one am I gonna get? Should I pay more, a little bit more of this? Like, I don't know if it's $80, I don't know how much more you have to pay, but I don't think it's that much. Or you have to just step up and buy the Bandouliere, which is your choice. But I think that is it for the bag, and I love it. I still like it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and please let me know what you think, if you have the same bag too, and let me know your thoughts and how yours is and how you love yours. If any regrets, please let me know. Otherwise, that's what I had to say about the bag, and see you in my next video. Bye. She got the power in her hand to shock you like you won't believe.